Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to this session. I am going to speak about I have a dream, a famous speech delivered by Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream is a famous speech by Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a great American statesman, leader, and champion of civil rights movement against segregation of Negroes in America. It is important to mention here that even the USA witnesses serious conflicts between the whites and the blacks for many years. Martin Luther King Jr. comes out as a hero, championing the cause of civil rights movement in USA. Martin Luther King Jr. was the youngest man to receive Nobel Peace Prize when he was young. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929 at Atlanta, Georgia, USA. He was assassinated on April 4, 1968 at the age of 39. He was a son of Father Martin Luther King Sr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a famous writer, a speaker of America. Martin Luther King Jr. wrote many books. He wrote Towards Freedom, the Montgomery story in 1958, Why We Cannot Wait in 1964, and Where Do We Go From Here, Chaos or Community in 1968. I Have a Dream is a famous speech that he delivered on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. on August 28, 1963. In this speech, he discusses his dream of seeing Alabama and other states of America as a developed states, free of racial distinction between the whites and the blacks. This speech had the huge impact in raising public consciousness and awareness for civil rights movement and establishing King as one of the greatest orators and speakers in American history. Now let me talk about the famous speech, I Have a Dream, by Martin Luther King Jr. In this speech, Martin Luther King Jr. Says that even after 100 years of declaration of emancipation of the blacks from the racial discrimination and injustice, was not materialized. Abraham Lincoln was the president of USA who launched a campaign to remove racial distinction between the whites and the blacks in America. But after more than 100 years, the racial distinction, the second-rate citizenship of the Negroes could not be ended. Hence, Martin Luther King Jr. comes forward to raise awareness and consciousness among the blacks to come forward and fight for the removal of racial distinctions and discriminations in the USA. The speaker calls upon the Negroes who gathered there to stand up on their feet for justice. He exhorts them that the time is up to fight for their rights and facilities in the USA. While delivering this powerful speech, Martin Luther King Jr. warns the audiences that they should not resort to any violent actions, violent movement during their struggle. He stresses in his speech that they should continue their movement on the basis of non-violent principles. As Martin Luther was deeply influenced by the non-violent movement and this civil disobedience movement of Mahatma Gandhi, he wished to implement the ideals, the principles, the movements of Mahatma Gandhi, or started by Mahatma Gandhi in India, in the USA. After during his speech, Martin Luther King Jr. tells the audiences that he has a dream. I have a dream that one day America will become free of the racial discrimination and prejudices. He says, I have a dream that a day will come when the sons of the whites and the sons of the blacks will sit together at the table of brotherhood, love, and fraternity. The day is not far off when America will get rid of racial discrimination and differences between the whites and the black. But it is very ironical to observe that even after many years, even after the assassination of Martin Luther King Jr., America still witnesses violent fights between the whites and the blacks in America. Recently, there was a fight between the whites and the blacks in America. To conclude, the racial discrimination must go not only from the USA but from the world. This is the essence of the speech of Martin Luther King Jr. Thanks.